Hello, hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Sarah.
No, Matt.
On this Saturday's the course series, we're drinking La Clandestine and their absinthe.
Something like that. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. Matt, what
All
the
right.
heck are you doing?
La Clandestine Absinthe Superieure. This is a donation from my sister-in-law, Shauna Zitrick. Thank you very much. Really appreciate this. Another fun liqueur for our series. So like it says, this is 53% grain neutral spirits with herbs, including our fun thing called wormwood, which makes you hallucinate, which is awesome. All right, it's based on a 1935 recipe from Charlotte Vaucher that was given to a Claude-Alain Bugnon, who was an oil guy in the 80s, and then the 90s started in his family basement making absinthe because in 1910, absinthe was ruled illegal in Switzerland. Switzerland was actually the founding home of absinthe, which I did not know that. Late 1700s, up in the mountains there, it was founded, which is very in the Val-de-Travers region of Switzerland, like it's in the second half of the 18th century. And we don't really know exactly who made it. We think it's either the Dr. Henriod sisters, Major Wood, Mother Henriod, Abram-Louis Pernod. It's one of those people we don't really know. But they will say those are the pioneers of absinthe, and there's like the distilleries, the Couvet, and all this fun stuff. But anyway, so people says he was making this stuff illegally. So back then, in March 1st, 2005, said, hey, we can make absinthe again. It's no longer illegal. Then shockingly, he was the first person to put a permit out and come out with this really cool absinthe, and it's sold very, very well all over the world now. So cool Swiss absinthe, and I have lots more absinthe for us to do, so don't you worry. This is not the last one. And if you mix this, they said, with 6 ounces of cold water, and you spin it around, that's how you get this very cloudy. That's how the green fairy appears. It's very cool.
Yeah, I can already tell by the smell that I don't like it.
I love
This
absinthe.
reminds me of
I love the
Sambuca.
nose. It does, which is the same, very much anisette.
It reminds me of black jelly beans, and I don't like them.
Black jelly beans galore.
And
Like
NyQuil.
the black gumdrops, it's just straight up anise.
It's the nighttime NyQuil, too.
Yeah, with like a little bit of herbs mixed into it.
Yes, and that like fake cherry,
Yeah. Like the fake cherry, it's got like a little bit like lemongrass.
I don't like it.
A little bit of maybe a little bit
This
of
is gonna be
pepper,
interesting.
a little coriander. Super interesting. All right, let's see how it tastes.
Oh, at least it's bitter.
Yeah. It is bitter, which is nice. It's not as clingingly sweet.
It's gross.
It is, black jelly bean.
But that licorice flavor stays like clung to your tongue.
I just
I
feel
don't like
like
it.
pure jelly bean sugar on my tongue. Like my tongue is not weighted down by this stuff.
I don't like
Like
it.
seriously, it's like
There's a reason you mix this with water because you have to cut it down. Now I do really like it when it's cut with water. It's actually really, really good. But on its own, that's a lot of
Send
anisette.
that back. I don't want it.
I figured I was getting that back. I wasn't surprised. I don't think either one of us was a fan.
no,
But,
I'm tucking this back into the little bottle it came from.
Yucky.
This goes back to where it came from.
Yeah,
But
you
one
can
night
have
we can
that.
have a whole night of absinthe. And
No.
which one tastes best with water?
Nope.
Sarah's like, I'm not attending that night.
Nope. I won't be here.
You're like, you're on your own. That's your own punishment.
I'm sick.
I'm sick.
No, I'm just gonna flat out say I'm not gonna be. I'm feeling perfectly fine. I just don't want to.
I'm not doing that to myself.
just not doing it. I don't even want to drink out of this cup.
No, I'm rinsing now. Like I'm already.
I don't
rinsing.
even think rinsing is going to help.
Your glass is broken. Don't worry about it.
I'll rinse for you.
My glass is broken.
I broke it. Yeah,
Yeah.
but
Got anything else to say about that?
nope. I like it.
Okay. Matt likes it. We don't. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. Come hang out with us live on Monday nights. And be sure to join our Patreon for all the behind the scene fun. Until next time.
It still clung to my tongue. Keep on crusading for the liquids in your glass.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I love how we go with a water and a Coke. It's hysterical. Is the way the
La
The law.
Clandestine Absinthe.
Yep.
Do your best, baby.
5, 4. Hello, hello. Welcome.